Are you seeking for coaching clients, like working a lot to get new clients, to actually start your coaching business and expand your network of clients? But actually you are feeling frustrated because you give so much work on it and it really doesn't work. Let me tell you, there are 3 common ways that new coaches try to get clients that doesn't work. Really, it doesn't work. And I will explain you why it doesn't work, and then I'll give you one solution that really works, that really helps you to get new coaching clients. Stay with me in this video and you will get amazed. The first way that doesn't work is having a professional website, your coaching website. Why does it not work? Because when you work to get your website, you need your logo, you need tags, you need content, you need photos, you need a professional to build it up, or you need to understand of tools such as WordPress or Wix that helps you to build your own website. But guess what? It doesn't work. You just cannot get clients from your website. And here's why. Because your client doesn't know your website exists. So either you work a lot doing SEO for years, so you start converting new clients through SEO, or you pay for ads and you make sure that you know how to set a good ad that actually converts. There's a chance you found this video on an ad or on my website, and then you're gonna say, but wait, you are telling me I should not have a website, but you have a website? Yes. These ways that doesn't work is they don't work by themselves, and I will explain you why in the end. But these are ways that takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort, but coaches think that if they start this way, it's gonna be easier. It won't. Second way, it's not gonna work for new coaches to get clients is having a shining, beautiful social media profile. So you spend a lot of time creating a profile, such as you did with the website, right? Like good photos, good content, spend time creating reels. Hey, reels are insane to make, and you need to make one every day or 2 or 3 a week. That takes a lot of time. You could get clients in that time. You could be coaching clients in that time, but you are spending time to just create reels, but you are spending time just creating content for your profile. It's probably not going to be the solution for you because it takes a lot of your time. You need to be a specialist in content generation. So if you become a specialist in creating content, then you're going to be a social media influencer. You're going to make money with social media, right? You're not going to make money with your coaching business. So are you a coach or are you a content generator? Again, you can get clients in your social media if you pay for ads, but you need to know how to set those ads. You need to make tests, and that takes a lot of time and effort. So it is a way, but it takes a lot of action and a lot of effort, and I truly believe there is a better way. But before we go to the way to solve this, let's understand the third way new coaches spend time not getting clients, and it is content generation. So similar to the social media and website, you are creating content and more content and more content. Maybe YouTube videos, maybe you are doing articles for websites, and maybe you are like just creating a lot of crazy content and you never get clients for real. So the problem is, again, you are spending a lot of time creating content. Hey, maybe we are getting out of the era of content, right? Because now we have AI creating a lot of content for people. People are learning with the AI. They are doing their courses or whatever with AI. And yeah, creating content now is getting a little bit deprecated maybe. So real content, like getting real contact with people may be good. Like right now you're watching this video because it makes sense to you, because I'm telling you something from my experience. This is not something that AI generated for you. This is something that I got from my many years of experience, more than a decade of experience in coaching and NLP. And that's why I'm telling you that generating content is going to take a lot of your effort and probably take your focus out of sale. So to understand what is the solution for all these 3 mistakes and other mistakes that are similar is first understanding what do these ideas, these problems has in common. What they have in common is all these 3 ways, they are focused on passive sales. Oh, how is it passive? I'm taking a lot of time. I'm focusing so much on it. Yes, but your focus is not in the sell. Your focus is not in getting your clients, expanding your network of clients. Your focus is create something and let it there. Let it be. Like, people are gonna find me somehow. People are gonna magically come to my number, my profile, my office, whatever. People are magically finding me after I create this stuff. Guess what? They won't. Those things are multipliers. I always say that marketing, like publicity, is a multiplier of sales. So if you have sales, you multiply with publicity. For example, imagine this. You have no sales and your website is a multiplier. Anything multiplied by 0 is still 0. So it's gonna multiply nothing. So I need at least one sale, right? Like, I need to have one sale. Then my website is gonna help me multiply. How? Because it becomes a tool for sale. It's not the sale itself. It's a tool to improve, to boost your sales. That's why I have all those things. I have a website. I have a social media profile. I have content. Right now, I'm recording content for you, right? So I have all those things, but not those things alone. First, I have the solution, and here is the solution: active sales. What does it mean, active sales? It's the opposite of passive sales. Passive sales, I create content, I create stuff, I create publicity, and I just wait. Active sale, that's not it. I first go after the sale. First, I need to sell something. I need to sell my coaching business. I need to make people understand the value that I have to offer. Hey, I'm not asking you to be a liar or whatever, but you cannot hold the limiting belief that I was not born for sales. Guess what? All self-employees, such as a coach, needs to be a salesman, a saleswoman. So you need to learn to sell. That's part of letting people know what you do. This is, hey, listen to me. How do you believe people will hire you if they don't know what you have to offer? If they don't know how much value you have to offer them? If you really believe in your business, if you really believe that you are here in this world to help people to thrive, to grow, to be better human beings, then you need to let people know, and you need to help them to be convinced in what you have to offer. If you are convinced, why do you think other people shouldn't be convinced? So let people know, what do you have to offer? This is what I call active sales. There are a lot of strategies for active sales, in person, even online. There are ways on how can you reach potential clients. So you don't just wait potential clients to see you. You don't just like create a magical environment where no one joins, but you actually walk towards your clients. You reach your clients and you make that sale. This is how active sales work. This is how we make sure that people understand and has the choice. I let people choose if they want to work with me or not. But to choose, they need to know what I have to offer. They need to know what is my value. If you believe on that, stay with me here. I'm going to be creating some content to help new coaches to grow, not just grow in clients, but also grow in knowledge, in confidence. And also, I have a few programs. You can check the link in the description if you are interested in growing and learning more about active sales. If this makes sense to you, then you can follow the link, and then I will see you in session. Be consistent on a solid ground like a rock. See you.